start back fighting.
Tell your father it was an honor to be invited into his home.
Dad, he said it was an honor to be invited into your home.
Tell him I say thanks.
Next, hang out with a family that's no stranger to surprises. Good Luck Charlie's coming up right here on Disney Channel.
I have my little dog bite you in the butt, nigga. Come on, man, stop biting me, cuz. Get that. Get that.
Just piece together the Now return to the show on Disney Channel.
She hating.
Sure is quiet out there.
And my phone just died.
We have no way to communicate with the outside world.
This must be what it was like to be alive in the 80s.
At least that thing is outside. We'll just stay in here.
There's something under there.
Never go in there. That deer's through.
You're scared too.
No, I'm 3.
Lindy.
Writing up some report.
I'll just call you officer. Anywho, cute story. I've been doing this for and they've always been less than successful. But tonight, 3 hours of my Look, I guess what I'm trying to say is if anybody should take the blame,
Yo, stop.
it should be me. That works for me.
You're all getting in trouble.
Officer, did you ever have a teacher you didn't like? Someone who just made your life miserable? Who made you study every weekend? Who put flower stickers on your spelling test? I think I lost the thread. Picking it back up. The kind of
Yo,
teacher
quit.
whose mission in life was just to make you unhappy.
Yeah.
You ever have a teacher like that?
I got a sergeant like that.
Oh, she
He
came
once made me
back.
work a double
She wants
shift
some
on
more.
my birthday. Didn't even bother to sign the card.
Can I just tell you happy belated birthday?
Someday I'd love to give him a piece of my mind.
Oh, well, that is all we were doing here, officer. Just giving Mr. Jenkins a piece of our mind. Now, is there any chance we could, I don't know, forget this whole thing?
Well, if I arrest you, there is a lot of paperwork. And I did want to do some online shopping. I'm going to let you off for the warning. If you promise never to do this again.
We promise. Never again.
Good. I'll give you a ride home. Don't you love that?
It's over.
Thirsty.
Hold up, nigga. You been checking out my girl, nigga? Hold up, cuz. Hey, man, yeah, I been checking out your girl, nigga. Hey, man, get off me, nigga. Watch out, cuz. Been checking out my girl, nigga. Yeah, nigga, bag back, nigga. Yeah, nigga, get bag back, nigga. Yeah, what's up, nigga? Yeah, come here, nigga. Let me get you. Leave me alone, you little fag. Yeah, nigga, you don't wanna. Come here, nigga. I'm gonna bite your neck.
Not going anywhere.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah, I'm gonna bite your. Ah, nigga. Nigga, shut up, nigga. Shut up, nigga. You ain't talking my name. Yeah, I'll bite you. I'll bite your tail, nigga. What's up, man, nigga? Burger you want? Burger you want? You want none? Ain't worried about nothing. I ain't worried about that. Cut, man, get on. You booty effing scratcher. Hit you with this. Hit you with this K9, dog. I got the K9. Leave me alone. Sneak this me. Don't, big booty face. Hey, cuz, what tell you about my girl, bud? Tired of you, yeah, nigga. I'm gonna see the street. Yeah, nigga. I don't get tired, nigga. Come here. I don't get tired for eating that booty. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, come here, nigga. Think this over? Think this over, nigga? Yeah. Yeah, I want to fight. You already know. I want to fight. You already know. GTA, World Star. Put this.
And that's just
Man, get up! Stop looking at my booty, cat. What's wrong with you?
there's